In the midst of a cold and harsh life, Little Orange Cat only longs for a warm bowl of rice and a place to call home. After days of abandonment, bullying, and hurt, will she find someone who truly cares for her? The story of Little Orange Cat is not just the story of a cat, but also a journey in search of love.
Dad, do you remember coming back recently? Your dad is probably busy lately. No time to remember. Da. We'll write to Dad tonight. Let's see when he comes back.
Warming my heart amidst a life of hardship.
Old Dwight, why haven't you gotten off work yet? Soon. There's still some work on hand. It's almost done. You must have not eaten. Let's go. Let's eat cat food together. Old Dwight. Thank you, Xiaomei. Why are you thanking me? You're the one I should thank. Give me such a great job. Genetic difficulties in recent years. You will never give up. El pedmualo. What's this for? Everyone has difficult times. In fact, in my most difficult time, you gave me a chance. I should be thanking you. Eh? Okay, let's not thank you. That's right. Sister-in-law, how are they doing? Have you ever gone back to visit them? I haven't been back since I was busy recently. They're all fine. And this girl in the community also wrote to say, I got the first place in the exam. Really? That chrysanthemum will definitely be able to get out of the cat head in the future. Lao Bai. You don't have to work so hard. As long as Chun Girl has a good life in the future, I'm relieved. Lao Bai, I will give you 10 days off. Go back and see your sister-in-law and the others. Wait for me to say hello. Don't worry. The company has me. I'll take care of your business. Thank you, May. Come on, I'm hungry. Lao Bai, I'll give you 10 days off. Go back and see your sister-in-law and the others. Wait for me to say hello. Thank you, little sister.
A small bowl of rice in the cold winter
Xiaozhu, I have good news for you. Your father called the village chief's house this morning. He's back today. I'll be home tonight. Oh, really? Mom, Dad, are you really back today? It's the truth. I'll be back later to buy some cat food. Let's eat better tonight. I want to go with you too. Okay, let's go.
Stones, rain, and sun block my path. Mocked laughter stumbles and falls. My dream of studying is so fragile. Uncle said he would adopt me with a promise. Auntie scolds me harshly, her tongue as sharp as
It's dad, it's dad.
But after
Back,
the
Dad.
harsh words comes a
You're finally back.
sleepless night.
Mom and I look forward to your return every day.
And he's
You missed us so much. Silly girl.
unable to speak a word.
So, I'm not coming back. Mom and Dad are back.
He has decided
Mom,
I'm
go eat.
no longer alone.
Wash your hands and
Will
eat.
good days ever come?
Wef. I have invited you all these years. What's this for?
Exchange for a face,
It's hard
a
for
piece
you
of
to work there.
paper cut, but
Sit down and
love
eat.
reconnected.
Dad, how long will you be staying this time?
Little
This time,
orange
Xiaomei will give me 10 days
cat
off.
silence
Can stay at home for a while.
outwardly
Then you
tough,
have a good rest at home these days.
inwardly soft. There are
Don't rush to do anything.
that cannot be expressed in
Listento you.
words, only
Eat no.
shown through
Ah.
a home.
Ah. Mom and Dad are back.
Through a humble
Dad, how long will you be staying this time? This time, Xiaomei will give me 10 days off. Can stay at home for a while. Then you have a good rest at home these days. Did you wear? Dubai is the boss in the city. Made a lot of money. Really, that's so envious of the cat. Married a good husband. Right. His family now eats la stewed cat food every day. It's like no money. F. Dubai is not a stinky part-time worker. What boss? I heard Dubai is in town. It's the white cat that shines the boss's shoes. Are you jealous of other people's flower cats? It is his husband who compares with Dubai. Just one day at a time. Et ça chute up. Besides, I'll tear your mouths apart. F. Too lazy to tell you. Ket. Her husband is not up to expectations. What to complain about? He is just jealous of other people's flower cats.
Remember from now on, you are not alone in
Sleep,
this world.
sleep. Know how to sleep all day. Can't you live up to your
All
expectations?
the losses, what remains
What's wrong with you?
is human
Look at how well Dubai is doing now.
warmer than any
Lend a lot of money to the cat every month. Donald Tushme. See if I can beat you again. I'm going to bed. Leave me alone. Flower cat, wait for me. I won't make you feel better. Sleep, sleep. Know how to sleep all day. Can't you live up to your expectations? Don't ask my parents. See if I can beat you again. Flower cat, wait for me. I won't make you feel better.
warming my heart amidst a life of hardship. And he silently
The boss brought me 5 bottles of herbicide. How much land do you have in your house? So many herbicides. Just leave it alone. Give me 5 bottles. I have to rush back to weed. Flower cat, wait for me. This time there is your beautiful white cat. Go to the market and come back. What good things did you buy? Nothing normal. Just some highly nutritious pet cat food. I won't tell you. I have to get back to cooking. Obviously, a herbicide. What the back? You can tell by looking at the bag that it was bought at Lao Zhong's house. With Tiakuzamone. This is the money I saved. You can buy whatever you want. I'll save it for now. Keep it for show you later. Okay. Just get it right. Xifeng. I'll go to the village chief's house later. Tant Kimwell. Helped our family so much. Take Xiaoyu with you. That girl is sweet and talkative. Okay. Oh, première CU. Premier style.